Hello everyone, let's now move further. We are going to show you how I'm going to make a beautiful flower out of just few easy simple lines. It's just somewhat similar, and in the beginning we have just made a flower out of it. This activity is thus suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Fill it with some of the bright colors. Here I'm using the yellow one. Let's move further. You just have to make some of the horizontal and some of the vertical lines, then a curvy line at the center, and we are going to convert it into a cute little boat. It looks so easy and nice. Let's move further. Here you just have to make a heart shape, and then inside this heart you have to make a smaller heart. Then you just have to make a line in between the glitch, and then see how you're going to convert it into cute little two parrots that are just representing the lovebirds. It looks so easy. Let's move further. Here we are going to show you how we can trace down a sheep after a few easy simple steps. This is somewhat a messy type of the drawing, but it looks so cute and beautiful at the end. Just give it a try. It's very easy, best suitable for small kids. Thank you.